Hey guys, how's it going? Good morning. Sorry, I had a internet connectivity issue, so I'm just getting the room started right now. Let's see. The 25th. All right. Hey guys, morning. Sorry, I had internet connectivity issues, so I couldn't log on earlier. Just gonna log on for a while. Yeah, I'm trying to look at this right here for a possible buy off the breakout. We're not taking that trade anyways. Let's see what's over here. All right, we do have a bullish bias though. I'm looking for a possible buy signal here. If I get a buy signal, then I'll take this for a buy. But we don't have a buy signal yet off the off the 1 minute over here. Link out here as well. Hey guys, morning. Send over here. Hey guys, morning. Sorry for getting on late. I had internet connectivity issues. So if you guys are just making it into the room, we're literally just getting started. I was trying to log on earlier, but I was having issues getting connected to the YouTube. Anyways, I'm looking for a buy signal here. The bias is a buy for the technical side and fundamentals. We're just looking for this buy signal right here to close. If it closes with a strong bullish signal, and a bullish bias for the candle, then we'll take it for a buy. But right now, we're just waiting for that buy signal. It hasn't come up yet. So let me just make sure everything's good here. I think we're good to go. Yeah, it looks like a buy, but we need a bullish signal to confirm the entry. Get this going over here. All right, let's see. Hey, morning, Martin. Morning, Mark. Morning, George. Morning, Maddie. Maddie, not for the 1 minute. This is a breakout entry right here. We're still looking for the breakout entry. So this is a 50-50. But it hasn't come up yet. So like right here for the breakout entry, guys, we have a bullish bias. Reason for that is because price is above the pivots here on the 1 minute. The trend meter is green. Same here on the 3 minute, same situation. Price is above the pivots. The trend meter is green as well. And here on the 10 minute, same thing. Price is above the pivots and the trend meter is green. So this is all indicating, a bullish bias here. Looking over here at the fundamental side, it's up 161 points. So it's kind of weird because it's up 160 points, but looking over here, it's still pushing down. So the bias for the fundamental side is still bullish. That's why I'm just waiting for a bullish signal. Once you get that bullish signal, it's probably going to indicate that it's going to skyrocket up. So that's what I'm waiting for right now, since everything is kind of pointing to the upside. Looking over here at the indexes, this is pretty much all green as well. So, I mean, it's pretty clear that it should be going up. Wow, Nike's up 18 points. I wonder if there's news for Nike today, because that's a lot of points to be up by. But you guys can see here, it's kind of weird, right? Because it's like, you can see here market opened at 6:30, but ever since 6:30, it just shot all the way down. This is why you guys want to, wait and confirm before you enter the trade, because odds are it's probably going to swing all the way back up within time. Still up 144 points here. And morning, Kimberly. Morning, EW. Morning, Sisu. Morning, Matt. Happy Friday, everybody. So yeah, looking over here, guys, we're just waiting for it to swing back up. The bias is still bullish. I think right now price is just being somewhat manipulated because the fundamentals are straight pushing up, but the technical side here is just pulling down. So what I think might happen is it's probably going to come down here. It's going to reject off this pivot area. Once this candle starts to get smaller, it's at 4 minutes right now. So I think once it gets closer to like 2 to 1 minute, it'll start to wake towards the upside, and then it'll probably shoot up. So we're just waiting for that right now, because there's no reason for it to be dropping like that. It's super bullish right now. It's up 136 points. All right, let's see. So there we go. It's starting to swing up now. Let's see where we're at. All right, still waiting for it to swing up, guys. So looking at this here, I mean, it's still bullish on the 10-minute. It's still bullish here on the 3-minute as well. It's just below here on the 1 minute. So we'll see when it swings up. As it swings up, then we'll catch it as it corrects back to the upside. And it's so weird. I wonder what's going on with Nike. Nike is up 18 points. Like, I don't know if there was news about Nike this morning. Let's see. Okay, let's see. So Nike's shares surged more than 13%, hit a record high as 50 billion sales outlook tops expectations. Yeah. Okay, so that's what spiked it up. Okay, so market is like, it seems like it's super, I mean, this isn't a normal surge right here. It's 18 points. That's pretty much carrying the entire index. So that's probably why it hasn't swung up yet, because what happens is right here, they're trying to trap people. Because when they released that news, everyone thought it was going to go up. So whoever entered up here ended up getting caught in this massive drawdown right here. So let's see. This thing has dropped about 700 pips right now. So it's a huge drop. And then now it's starting to, or 800 pips, and it's starting to swing back up as we speak. No, Nico, no entry yet. We're still waiting for it, because we were looking for the bullish entry, but they never, like a buy signal ever appeared right here. So we're still waiting for it. Here. Good morning, Peter. Morning, Short Scene. Morning, Cody. Morning, Kenny. Morning, Draper. Morning, Tommy. Morning, Nick. Morning, Jermaine. Morning, Activities. But yeah, the market is super iffy right now. There's no entry available yet. The only thing that's really propping up US 30 right now is going to be the Nike stock. It's up 18 points right now. Everything else is kind of just normal. United Health is up 1 point. Goldman Sachs is down 2 points. Nothing huge. It's like it's literally down the middle. The only thing that's really propping it up is Nike, but it's still up 122 points, which is, it's pretty insane to see it still drop right here, because you can see it's dropping. I think right now they're still trapping people because everyone thinks it's going to go up. So we just got to wait for it. But I think eventually it's going to swing up. So no entry available yet, guys. We're just waiting for a possible entry here. Looks like we're not going to be looking for a breakout entry anymore. Reason for that is because it's already 640. Breakout's already over with. But we'll catch the scalps as it swings up. So right here, this candle's going to close in about 40 seconds. I think after this candle, we're probably going to see a bullish move to the upside. But we'll see where it goes from here. So it might reject off the lower end and then swing up from here. But we'll see where it goes from there. So let me see if there's any zones here for any possible snipe entries. Right there. And one down there. Now I'll turn this off. So you guys can see that big wick starting to form on the bottom. I think it's going to swing back up eventually. So it's still up 130 points. You can see the big wick starting to form to the bottom. And there we go. Starting to shoot bullish right there. So we'll see where it goes from this point here. If it shifts back to the downside, then that's fine. We'll start looking for some sells. But looking at the fundamentals over here, it's still pretty green. So I think it's going to be swinging up eventually. Just need some time. Yeah, everything's starting to swing over here. So see where it goes. There we go. See that green candle that I just mentioned? It's probably going to push up slightly. So we're probably going to get an entry here on the 3-minute for a 3-minute scalp. But we're done with the breakout right now. There's no breakout entry available. We'll just be looking for normal scalps now. Yeah, definitely, Matt. That's what we're looking for right now. Looking for that 3-minute. All right, let me set up my alerts now since we're done with the breakout entry. Well, that was anticlimactic for a Friday, right? All right, so there's that buy signal right there. What we'd be looking for now is like some sort of strong bullish. There you go, that strong bullish candle right there. If that strong bullish candle closes right there, then it'll probably be an entry. This doesn't qualify for a 1-minute entry because it didn't break and close past the pivots. So that's cool. I'll be looking here on the 3-minute for a possible entry. I think we'll possibly get a buy entry at some point right here. We need that buy signal though. Yeah, I mean, looking over here, let's see, it's still up 150 points. So we're probably gonna get that entry here off the 3-minute. This is our main priority right now. So we're pretty much gonna wait for this to provide a buy signal. Once we get that buy signal, we can take this for the 3-minute. Josh mentioned news in 19 minutes, Michigan consumer sentiment. Let's check. Maddie said yesterday, trying to unlock some nice profits before I head to Vegas. Nice. Nice, Maddie, man. It's about to be fun, dude. It's hot out here today. Well, I mean, this whole week's been like a crazy heat wave, so it should be fun out there. It's gonna be just the same weather. So yeah, looking over here at US 30, guys, it's still up 150 points. So the bias is still bullish. The bias on the fundamental side is bullish. We're just looking for that confirmation on the technical side to take the trade. That confirmation that we're looking for is a buy signal, one of these buy momentum signals like this right here. So you can see, for example, if you took this trade over here, that would hit full TP right there. So we're looking for the same setup right over here. All right, so it hasn't come up yet. You know, this is why we didn't enter the trade yet. So the thing is, we're looking for that buy signal, guys. If we don't get that buy signal, there's no entry. And that's exactly why we didn't take a trade here. Because if you took the trade right here, then you would have gotten caught in some drawdown right here. You'd be down like almost 200 pips. You need that confirmation. It's going to follow through with the fundamentals. So you don't want to get caught in the fake outs, and you don't want to get caught in any traps right now. You want to wait for the actual confirmation. And that's crazy. It's up like 130. It's up like way up, like 133 points. But if you look at the technical side over here, it's still coming down, which is super, unusual. Let me look at the futures price too. The futures price is up even more, 166 points. So as you guys can see here, this is how you can kind of tell that market's being somewhat manipulated, because if it's been open for like 14 minutes and it's been nothing but bullish, like it's been green, it's up 133 points for the day, and it's still coming down. You know, this isn't normal. It should be going up, especially coming down this much, nearly 1,000 pips. It's a big drop for a specific asset when it's straight, when it's straight bullish. on the fundamental side. Let's see, someone's drawing on the screen. Let me turn off your guys' ability to annotate. All right, yeah, so we're pretty much just waiting, guys. Nothing for us to really take right now. Bias is still bullish, so we're just pretty much just waiting for the confirmation. Let me go over and check over the news real quick. Josh said that there's a news coming up soon. Yeah, we have revised UOM consumer sentiment right here. We have this coming up in about 15 minutes. iPhone, why'd you hop into the trade? There's no entry there. No, there's no entry. iPhone, what are we talking about for the entry? Yeah, I'm not sure which one you took. iPhone, there's no entry. I never called an entry for any of these things here. There's nothing here. We would have to have a buy signal. There's no buy signal here on the 3 minute. Same here on the 1 minute. This buy signal didn't close above the pivot, so there's no entry there. So there's nothing to yeah, there's no entry there, iPhone. This buy signal will need to close above it. Yeah, I didn't even mark up a chart there. I'm not sure why you took that trade. But yeah, there's no entry because the requirement is that we get a buy signal. Either it breaks and closes past the pivots or it's above the pivots for a buy. None of that happened here. So that's why we can take the trade. We're still looking for a possible entry here. We just need the buy signal to close here. We haven't had one yet on the 3 minute. So I mean, you might be able to be fine. You just have to be patient with it because there's no entry that's available yet. You just entered, obviously way too early because there hasn't been a confirmation for an entry yet. Let's see. Gallo said on a normal day, how long would you say the longest you ever stayed in a 3 minute trade? Not that long, Gallo. Only the longest would probably be maybe 10 minutes. Because you gotta think these things move pretty quick. Not right here, obviously, because this is before it's pre-market. But if you opened it during US session, we're only going for 250 pips, which is 25 points. So if you look at the ranges per candle, each candle moves at least 300 pips or so. So it usually takes only maybe 1 to 3 candles, which is about less than 10 minutes for it to hit your TP. So we're still looking for that buy here, guys. There's no buy entry yet, so don't take anything. I mean, there's no entry over here to take at all. And I wouldn't have taken this 1 minute here because, all of the fun, everything's pointing to the upside. So I wouldn't take a sell anyways. The bias here on the 1 minute is a bullish bias. I marked this up right when market opened. I said it was going to wick off this area here and bounce up. And that's exactly what's happening right here. So the bias here on the 10 minute is bullish. The bias here on the 3 minute is bullish. And the bias over here on the 1 minute is bearish, but it's not a very strong bearish bias. And generally the 1 minute has noise anyways, so you wouldn't be following this here anyways to begin with. Let's see. Yeah, Kenny said Pete and repeat. Yeah, exactly. We're just waiting for it to play out over here. Let's see this right here real quick. All right, so there's a buy signal that we're looking for. Once this closes right here, then we'll take it for a buy. Gonna follow through with the bias, obviously. Bias here on the dailies 144 points above. The Dow index over here is straight green for the most part. I mean, it's red too, but majority of it's green. And the futures is up 132 points. So everything's pretty much up. It's pointing to the upside. We just need that confirmation to take this trade here. Possibly entry here on the 1 minute too if this closes above the pivot there. So I'll be waiting for that to close. We need to close above though for it to be valid. We still have 2 minutes on this right here, so there's no entry that's available yet, guys. So don't just hop into a trade because you think there's a trade there. Only hop into a trade if there's an actual trade there. You guys don't want to get it too early and get caught in the fake out. So there's no entry still there on the 1 minute. We need this signal right here to close above. So if you're looking at this right here, iPhone, this would be a confirmation of actual entry because it's above the pivots. This was an entry here because it wasn't above it. And it also wasn't breaking closing past it either. like this candle right here would be a break and close past it, and this over here would be above it. So as you can see for this one right here, none of that happened. But it looks like it's going to push up. So your position might be fine if you're in it. But we're still waiting for that confirmation. We have about 1:30 here on the 3-minute. Once this closes over here, we can take this for a buy. Same with this on the 1 minute over here. If this closes above it, then we can take this for a buy as well. So I'll be watching for both over here. But currently at this moment, there just, there isn't anything for us to take at this moment. Still got a minute left on this over here. If this closes, I'll take this though here. All right, so I'm in the trade right now, guys. This is the entry here. And at this point over here, set alert here for the 1 minute. That's good right there. I'm still looking here on the 3-minute too for a possible entry. So the thing is, if this closes right here for a buy, that I'll probably just hold it a little longer to this this one's full TP. So we'll see where it goes from that point. But I'm currently in this for a buy right here. I have a mental stop loss, guys. So generally, because the market's moving kind of funky right now, this is where our normal stop loss would be. But I'm probably gonna hold it to like down here. I want to have a bigger net because the bias is pretty bullish. So I think even if it swings down, eventually it's going to swing up. So I'm not really going to get scared and pull out too early. So there we go with this right here. There was no buy signal there, so it still hasn't confirmed. We need that buy signal to close here on the 3-minute in order for us to take that on this time frame over here. So pretty much just holding and waiting right now. Hey, Eunice said, hi, Shawn. Why do I see on TradingView that US 30 is up only 51 points while it's about, yeah, I mean, that's just market manipulation, Eunice. Obviously it's bullish. It's like pretty bullish here, but this is how they trap people. They just swing price around to pretty much manipulate price. So I'm here in this 1 minute right here. It's about to hit full TP, it looks like. I don't know if I'll hold on to it. I'll probably just, I'm still thinking if I'm gonna hold on to it, if I'm gonna close it out, and then possibly look for a new entry on the 3-minute. Because we still got some time here. But I mean, like you mentioned, it's very bullish right now. It's up 170 points. So it's got to swing up at some point. So there we go right here. It's about to hit TP. And this 3 minutes probably gonna close too. So I might just hang on to it and wait. But yeah, it's currently profit. I'm up about 500 bucks right now. Not a huge amount, but something. All right, so let's see, it's pushing up right there. Man, this market is so slow right now. It's kind of slow, like extra slow for Friday. So looking at the fundamental side, this is why I'm not really worried about the buy, because it's up so high. It's up 173 points. The fundamental side, I mean the future side is still up 140 points. Looking over here at the actual stocks, see the stocks are starting to swing up as well. So even the normal stocks, aside from Nike, are starting to swing up to the upside. So like United Health right here covers pretty much all the reds over here. So it looks pretty much fine for the most part. We just got to wait and see as it swings up higher. But market's super flat right here. I don't even see any movement. It's like not moving at all. It's so weird for opening. It's about to be 7 o'clock right now. So usually it's moving from like 6 to 8, like from market open to 8. But right now it's not even moving at all. Kind of just died down a bit over here. Let's see where the retail traders are trading. So retail traders are 51% short right now. So let's find out where the long side. It's pretty much what we're looking for right now. So looking over here at the 3-minute, there is no entry again right there. We're waiting for this one to close still. Here we go on the 1 minute. Looks like it's about to hit TP. I'm in profit about 600 right now. So I'll see where it goes from this point. I mean, if this ends up, like I wanted to hold it if a 3 minute was to close, but if it doesn't, and this one hits TP, I'll probably just pull out and I'll just re-enter. I just don't like being in trades like this that are kind of just not moving at all. All right, so there we go. It's about a TP, almost there. I'm up about nearly 1,000 right now. There you go, TP hit. So if you guys are there on the 1 minute, full TP right there for that. Let's see, I'm still tempted to hang on to it even more. There you go, full TP right there. I'm still hanging on to it. I'm thinking if I should close it or not, or maybe just re-enter at a later time, but I'll probably just hang on to it slightly because this right here might close. So full TP off that 1 minute right here. I'll give you guys the update in the group. I still have the position open right now. I'm up 1,500 right now, thinking about if I want to close it or not. I'll probably hang on to it for a bit. If it drops back to 1,000 in profit, I'll probably just pull out and I'll just re-enter. See, we got about, I mean, it's looking nicer and I'm up about 2,000. Let me go to this 3 minute over here. Yeah, I'll probably just hang on to it for a bit because it's going to where it's supposed to go. I'll give you guys a small little update here. Oh, fuck, I closed out of it. Okay, so I got closed out of that trade off the 1 minute, but it's okay. If it closes here again, I'll just re-enter. Send you guys my profits as well. All right, so there we go with that right there. And I'll send you guys my profits. If you guys made profits off that trade, that 1 minute, go ahead and send them over, and then I'll add them to the list. So, I mean, everything looks pretty solid right here. This is going to be another 3 minute entry. So I'm still watching for it. We've got 20 seconds left right here. I left my phone in the other room. So let me go. All right, I'm gonna let this counter here close. Once it closes, I'm gonna go grab my phone so I can take a screenshot of the profits. All right, I'll be right back. Wait a second. All right, so let me send you guys my profits real quick. There's no entry here on the 3 minute, guys. So don't enter anything right now. I'm glad I pulled out of that trade because then all my freaking profits would have went down the drain. So anyways, let me just send you guys the signals right here. So we got that. And we got that. All right, so here's my profits that I made off those trades right there. So I made about 1,229 off my first account, and then my second account I made about 1,500 right there. So locked in some nice profits off that 1 minute KT 30 1 minute scalp. Nice. So let's see what everyone else did today. So you guys did pretty good. I mean, I locked in about, so I'm up maybe about 3,000 for the day on both of my accounts. Let's see, Jamie over here. Jamie locked in a total of 2,373 for the day. Nice work, Jamie. Let's see, Blends over here. Let's see, Maddie over here locked. Jamie said ignore the loss. She made an accident right there. It's okay. Maddie over here locked in 1,875 for this morning off just, you know, that trade that I called earlier. Nice. Intraday over here is wow, 16,000 for the day. Nice work, Intraday. Congrats. He took some gold trades too. So we took those buys there. He also took some gold trades as well. Kimberly here, she took a gold trade and the buys there for US 30. She's at 403. Nice work, Kimberly. Mark over here, he took this trade over here, made about $100. So as you guys can see, it doesn't matter if you have a big account or a small account. You guys can easily make, you know, a pretty solid amount of profits trading with us here. Jalan over here is up 1,090. Nice work, Jalan. Let's see. Let's see. Jeff said sell the new Shawn. Yeah, no, I just saw your message right now, Jeff. Yeah, looking at everyone here. Nico too. Nico locked in 1,400 right there. Nice work, Nico. Jasmine over here, she locked in a total of $100 there off her first account, and her second account about 179. Nice work, Jasmine. Or she got 3 accounts. Damn, she got 2 accounts right here. So she locked in 100 right there. She locked in 179 right there, and then her third account over here, she locked in 428. Nice work, Jasmine. Damn, she got 3 accounts. Yeah. That's cool right there. Brittany as well. Brittany locked in a total of, here, let's see. Brittany over here locked in a total of 2,107. Nice work, Brittany. And then over here on our other account, 2,411. So, dang, you guys did pretty good. You guys did better than me on single trades. So, you know, definitely. Let's see if there's anything else here. Okay, so I think that's it for now. Tariq over here, he locked in a total of 4,967. Nice work, Tariq. Let's see if there's anything else here. All right, yeah, if you guys send me some messages earlier, I didn't get to any of the messages yet. So let's see. Nick made about 411. Nice work, Nick. Kip over here as well. Kip's up 10,000 for the day. Damn. So he traded gold and US 30. Nice work, Kip. So yeah, you guys are doing amazing this morning. Romano over here too. He's up almost 1,000. He's up 724. He just needs about one more trade to get to that 1,000. So nice work, Romano. So everyone here is doing pretty good. Larkin as well. Larkin made 1,537. I only took one trade today, but you guys took a couple others. Looks like Larkin traded Bitcoin and US 30. So nice work amongst everyone here. Going back to the charts, guys, there's no entry available yet. That's why I'm just, you know, kind of just sitting around because we don't have an entry here on the 3-minute. We're looking for a buy signal here. Once we get that buy signal, we can take it for a buy. But, you know, the buy hasn't come up yet. Looking here on the 3-minute. Oh, yeah, so there's a snipe entry right here. Thanks for letting me know, Eunice. So looking at this right here, there's actually a snipe entry available on the 10-minute. I didn't take it because I didn't see it. It's possible. It's a possible late entry right there if anyone wants to take it. I'm not going to take it. I'm just going to stick on the 3-minute for right now. Wait for that confirmation so I can get a better entry point. But yeah, if you guys want to take the snipe entry, this would be a snipe entry right here. Or actually, I might just take it. Let's see. Let's go over here. I'll move this over. So this would be the snipe entry right here if anyone is thinking about taking the snipe entry on the 10-minute. I'm still looking for that entry here on the 3-minute within it. So I'm probably just going to wait for the 3-minute entry here, and then I'll hop into it at that point. But yeah, no, definitely, Eunice. That is a snipe entry right here. I'll just set the alert here so that we can follow through with it. So let's see. 10-minute. Everything's trying to swing up now. Alerts. I should have just entered this snipe entry here. But yeah, no, definitely, Eunice. Nice call off that right there. Pretty much just waiting for it here on the 3-minute. Looking at the 1-minute over here, there's another 1-minute entry right there. Damn, I'm late. Might enter for a late entry possibly. Let's see. Yeah, so I entered it for a late entry right here. I'm probably not going to get the full profit, but it's all good. Still logging me a temporary profit off that. I mean, not temporary, but partial profit. So I'll just follow through with it. Like I mentioned, I'm not using a full, I'm not using the normal stop loss. I'm using a mental stop loss here because it's pretty bullish. So I think it's going to swing up eventually. But I mean, I'm just waiting for it. There's just a lot of confluences here indicating that it's going to swing up. That's why I'm following it, because we have the 10-minute here with an entry that's running right now. So there we go, full TP off the 1 minute again right there. I'm in profit of about 500 bucks. There you go, full TP off that for whoever caught it. I'm still holding it right now. So I'll give you guys another update over here. Let's see, I'm thinking if I should close it or if I should hold on to it a little longer. Because the thing is, there's a lot of entries that are available here. I might hold on to it right here for this 10-minute movement. Or you know what, I might just close out and then re-enter the next one. Close out too late. It's okay. I still made some profit off it though. So I'll give you guys an update right here off the 1 minute. So let me just take that screenshot right there. I should have just held on to it, but it's okay. If it pulls back, I'll just re-enter the trade again when it swings. Nice, Maddie just sent me some more profits. So you guys are like hopping into these trades really quick as we cover them. So again, right there, another full TP. I'm thinking about re-entering because of that. The 10 minutes still running up, you know, as we speak. So I'll give you guys another screenshot as we reach there. Albert here locked in 53 bucks. Nice work, Albert. Let's see, Maddie over here locked in a little more profit. He's up 2,751 now. So whoever's taking any of these trades out marking up, you guys are locking in some massive profits off this here. Paul over here too. Paul's up 535. Nice work, Paul. Yeah, this 10 minutes about to hit TP. It's playing out exactly like I marked up from market open, right? I marked this up. I said I was going to reject off this point and shoot up, and what happened? It did exactly that. So nice work amongst everyone here who's hopping into these. And there's another 3-minute scalp here. So there's a lot of moves that are becoming available right now, guys. So let me mark this up right here too. So there's just so much stuff going on with the chart right now. This is going to be the 3-minute scalp full TP. I just got to mark all these up right here because they're all coming back to back from each other. So definitely great work amongst everyone over here. Jeremiah up about $1,000 right there. Cheryl, she's up 2,632. So everyone's doing amazing this week, guys. This weekend today. Mark here, he's up 300. He has a smaller account, so that's pretty nice to see. Definitely great work amongst everyone here. Jasmine, she's up 1,032. And you guys are killing it. Yeah, great work, everybody. I'll send you guys the my updated profits real quick too. Let's see. All right, so let's take a screenshot of that. Now right there too. So I'll give you guys an update on my own profits as well, because I did take that 1 minute with you guys earlier, and I'm currently in the one that's running right now. So there are my profits right there, guys. I'm up 1,596 on this account. I'm up 1,831 on this account over here. So more profits off those K2 US 30 scalps. So that's good right there. I'm gonna go check the fundamental side and make sure everything's still pushing up. So yeah, definitely great work amongst everyone over here. Send that over here. All right, Brittany's up 3,000 now. So Brittany's up 3,163. Congrats, Brittany. Yeah, you guys are all doing crazy good right now. If you guys have more profits you guys want to send over, feel free. Jade over here, she's up about 1,246. Nice. Yeah, everyone's killing it, guys. Yeah, Jasmine's almost done with the challenge. Congrats, Jasmine. Almost done with that. See Robert over here. Robert's up 6,413 for the day. Damn, crazy, Robert. All right, let's see. Ternica over here, she's up 687. Nice work, Ternica. Yeah, you guys are all doing amazing today, guys. So big congrats to everybody here. We're still waiting for this to play out. So we're still waiting for this to finish over here off the 3-minute, and same with the 10-minute over here. It's about to hit TP, it looks like. Nico said you have a third entry. There's one, two, there's no third entry right now, Nico. Everything is pretty much running right now. The 10 minutes about to hit full TP right there. The 3 minute as well. It's on its way up. There we go. Full TP off that. 10 minute right there. So definitely another full TP right there off that 10 minute. Let me go ahead and give you guys a small update over here in the group. Yeah, everything's running, guys. It's still full TPs. Yeah, mine's currently still running. Harry over here. Harry locked in a total of 1,000 for the day. Nice work, Harry. So yeah, everyone locked in some pretty solid profits, guys. Everyone's doing good with all the trades running so far. Let me just see this over here. All right, so mine just pulled out this 10-minute scalp over here. So I'm out of that trade. I'm thinking about re-entering again for this 3 minute here, but I mean, whatever, it's all good. I'll take a screenshot and I'll show you guys what I locked in for that one right there. Let's see. So yeah, everything's looking pretty solid right now. You guys have seen my profits all throughout the day. Let's see. Now I'm now up 2,286. The other account, I'm up 2,139. So I'm pretty satisfied with my profits right now. 2,100. All right, so here are my profits from those trades right there. There you go, full T off that snipe, official. I mean, it looks good, guys. I mean, everyone's locking in some massive profits today. So any trade that you guys followed from me here, I should have all hit TP already. The only one running is a 3 minute, still pushing up. I should have just held on to it, but I'm up 2,139 on this account. On this one here, I'm up 2,286. So I'm basically up about 5,000 for the day among my accounts over here. So I'll just go ahead and give a little update right there. So you guys should have no losses today. Everything that I called this morning, this week, this year, pretty much have been all wins. So if you guys have been part of K2 for a while, you know, the consistency you see here is it's very accurate. So Nick over here, he's up 1,122. Nice work, Nick. Turnica over here, she's up 1,000. Nice work, Turnica. Perfect. You guys are killing it, guys. It's like nonstop wins right here. Larkin, he's up about 2,500. We're all in the same range right now. Looks like the average of us out here is about up maybe about 2,000 each. Surin over here, he took this right here. He's up about 699. I'm assuming euros, right? Surin, I'm not sure what I'm pretty sure your currency here is euros. He took the snipe right there as well. So nice work, man. Everyone's killing it. Nico, he's up about 3,000 for the day right here. Nice work, Nico. Swan over here, he's up right here, building a small account. He's up 169. So as you guys can see here, you guys don't have to have a huge account. You guys can still make a ton of profit copying my trades, whether it's, you know, you have a big account or a small account. Roman's up about 2,000 for the day. Nice work, Roman. Looks like he had some bad luck there for GJ, but the US 30s pulled through and covered those losses there. So nice work, Roman. If you didn't have those losses there, you would have been up about 2,500 as well, like everyone else here. Roland said, bro, what a fucking morning, back to 5%. So Roland's up 2,748. He was talking to me yesterday. So me and Roland were talking. Roland kind of made some mistakes and he was worried that he was going to have to break even on his account. I was telling him, like, bro, there's no point, just keep going. So he kept going and look what happened. He came all the way back up. So this is why you guys should never give up on your account. You know, no matter how far down you are, you can still come back because our win rate here is so high. As long as you guys do it properly and follow my trades exactly how I take them, you guys should be perfectly fine. So definitely good right here. Let me check real quick. CT also sent his profits. So CT is up 3,264 for the day. Nice work, CT. All right, so there's a full TP off that. Looks like the 3 minutes about to hit full TP as well right here. I'm not currently in the position right now, but I'm like really tempted to re-enter this trade. It's all good. I'll let you guys hit that TP and then I'll catch the next one. So yeah, I mean, guys, we're just waiting for this now at this point for any possible entries. It's 7:13 right now, actually. So I might be calling it a day a little early if there's nothing else for us to take here, because this snipe is done. So this is already a full TP. See if there's any other possible entries here. Any new zones? No new zones yet. So no new scalps here. Looking here on the 3-minute. This is the only one that's currently still running. If you guys want to close out in profit, feel free. It's really close to the full TP already. So if you guys want to, feel free. Otherwise, just go ahead and hang on to it. Nice. Maddie over here. Damn, Maddie's up 6,403. Damn, crazy. Maddie said Vegas time, money bags. Yeah, no, definitely, Maddie. Yeah, I think you're pretty much good for the day, Maddie. You don't have to keep pushing it, right? So, yeah, you might want to just call it a day because you're doing pretty solid, bro. You're up 6,000 for the day. You might as well go enjoy your weekend. Go to Vegas and feel good about it, right? Because you already got money to blow for the most part because you already locked in a ton of profit right here. All right, Maddie, I'll catch you on Monday, bro. When you're back, man, be safe, and I'll see you. I'll see when you get back. I'll be following your stories, bro, to see how it is out there. Yeah, man, live it up, bro. I'll see you back here on Monday. All right, so looking back here on the US 30, there isn't really much for us to look at this point. I'm out of all my positions right now. I mentioned on the 3-minute, you could have pulled out. If you guys pulled out, you would have been out of profit already because market's starting to act a little funky now. It is Friday, and as we get closer to 8 o'clock, it's less and less. It makes me less and less inclined to want to take a trade. So if you guys closed out of that 3-minute, that's awesome because we locked into pretty massive profits, and I'm not in that position, so it's not necessarily one that I'm following for myself. But yeah, if you guys want to close out, it's still in profit. That's kind of what I recommend if you guys want to just pull out. But if you guys want to hold on to it, feel free. But just keep in mind that already, I advise that you guys should probably close out in profit right now if you guys are still in that position because it's starting to pull down. Looking over here on the fundamental side, it's up 225 points. That thing's up pretty crazy right now. And looking here, it has such a strong bullish bias now, so it is pushing up, as we speak. But like I mentioned, it's starting to become a little more risky because you can see volatility starting to die down and it's starting to provide a lot more wicks. When you see a lot more wicks like this, price is starting to get a bit indecisive. So just just keep that in mind. I'm not in any positions right now. That's why I'm advising that you guys probably close it if you guys want to. But if you guys want to hang on to it, you guys can still hang on to it. Nice. Kyle over here, full wins too. So Kyle's up 629 for the day. Nice work, Kyle. And you guys are doing pretty good so far. So it's still looking pretty bullish here, guys. Don't get me wrong. It looks very bullish. The only thing that I would say is risky is the charts right now, right? The charts are volume's starting to die down because we're getting closer to the weekend. Looking over here, the buys are still good because retail traders are 52% short. So majority are short. And that's going to just indicate that, it's probably going to be a bit better because everything's pointing to the upside. Retail traders are short. We're trading opposite of retail traders. So it's still going to keep pushing up. Right now, market volatility is starting to die down. Obviously, you can see from this point here, it isn't really moving very much, right? You kind of established some sort of high right there and then some sort of low right here. So just keep that in mind. It's just going sideways at this point. If you guys want to hang on to it, feel free. It's still in profit. But, I'm just telling you guys that it's looking a little more risky. So other than that, let me see if there's anything else that I'm missing over here. Yeah, exactly. Saren just said it will go up later. Yeah, to 3,000. So yeah, if you guys want to hang on to it, I still think it's going to come up. The thing is, I'm going to wait for like another entry. So like Saren over here. Nice. Yeah, we got to go do this, sir, when I come over to the UK. Mark over here, he's up 336. Nice work, Mark. So Mark took the buy there as well. Looks like he closed out of it. He was in that buy and he looks like he closed out in profit. So yeah, it's looking like Jeff right here just mentioned too. It looks like it wants to roll over. So that's why I find it to be a bit risky right now to be holding on to anything else. So I'm out of all my positions right now. No losses for this week. No losses for this month. Yeah, my positions look pretty nice so far. So my account's looking pretty solid. Let me see if I could. I'm gonna try to see where my account is sitting for the week because we didn't really take that many trades this week, guys. So just keep in mind that I didn't really take that many trades. I was kind of just taking it easy this week because of a lot of the news. Today was the week that the Fed spoke like pretty much every day. So let's see, today is the, see for the week, it's today. Yeah, so from the 21st. So I'll send you guys my total profits for the week so far. From the 21st up until today. I mean, it's about to hit TP, so this, you know, it's still perfectly fine. But I'll send you guys my profits for the week for my account to show you guys that, you know, because some people ask me like if I trade during Asia session. I don't really trade during Asia session. I just trade with you guys here in the morning. So I'll just show you guys a consistency. If you guys just trade with me in the morning, you don't really need to trade all day, right? I only take a couple trades. So let me just send you guys my profits real quick for the week. So this is just from this week because we only took, you know, this is from Sunday up until today. So if you look at my trades over here, I'm up about 20,000 or 21,000 for the week. See, so these are my K² US30 profits for this week. No losses, straight W's. Let's see, trophy. So as you guys can see here, if you guys took any of the morning trades with me, I had no losses. This is, you know, this is what we pride ourselves on here at K2 is a consistency, right? And win rate. I have no losses here. These are all the trades we took this week from the 21st up until today, the 25th. I'm up 10,000 on this account. And then on the other account, I'm up 11,267. So that's pretty much where I'm sitting for the week so far. I'm just gonna go ahead and send these over to the, over here. So this is pretty much where I'm at. CSUK's up 3,360. So full TP off that 3-minute scalp. I'll give you guys a little update there as well. So like I mentioned, if you guys held on to it, it played out exactly what we thought. But I was just showing you guys my profits for the week, no losses. You know, it's all about consistency. If you guys don't lose, I mean, your account just keeps growing and growing, right? There's no stopping it. All right, so let's see. We got this right here. Guys, a little update off that right there. Did I send this over here real quick? All right, so CSUK locked with some nice profit off that. I'll give you guys a little update right here. So, you know, this is what I'm just trying to get across to you guys. You guys don't have to take like a million trades a day. I mean, if you guys want to, it's completely fine. But for me, I'm more focused on just consistency. So the consistency right here, you know, this is what I was just discussing. The consistency right here, like literally no losses for the entire week, the 21st up until the 25th. I don't really trade at night. I just take what I need to take in the morning, and then I call it a day. Because if you guys think about this, like, okay, so like use this for example, like this is just trading conservatively, right? If I traded more, I probably could have made more profit. But you think about this right here, like this is a normal week for us. If you were to make this much profit weekly, let's see, 10,554 and 65 cents. So that plus what I made over here, 11,267 and 17. So like, for example, if you make 21,000 in a week, you multiply that by 4, that's a month right there, right? That's a lot of profit right there for a week, for a month. This is a month. You multiply that by 12. Look how much money you can make in a whole year. This is literally 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So it's about 1 million. This number is so fucking big. I can't read it. 1,047,447. If you're just consistent, right? If you're like me and you just take the morning trades and you don't take any Asia trades or anything else, this is how much you could possibly make. You could be a millionaire, right? This is consistency, guys. So as you guys can see, this is why I don't take a shitload of trades, right? I take as many trades as I need to win. I'm not here to make huge profits because over time, this thing adds up, guys. Like literally it adds up. It's basic math. So, you know, this is pretty much what we do. What we do here, you know, it's all about consistency. So this is the level I'm trying to get you guys. So I'm trying to get you guys to that level where you don't lose any trades because everything just adds up. Even if it's a smaller profit, that thing still adds up. The main key is risk management to not lose any trades. If you could do that every day, pretty much, and you know, our our win rate here is pretty high. Like if you look over here to our nice work, Dan. So Dan over here made 386. If you look at our win rate here for the year so far, it's pretty high. So like looking over here at man, we got so many trades that I called. So looking at the signals, okay, so here are all the trades. So US 30 for this whole year so far for 2021, we're up 186 wins and only 26 losses. For the month of June, I've only had 1 loss, and that was an accidental loss. So I have 34 wins, including this week. It's probably going to be about 44 because we took about 10 trades this week. So for June, we only have 1 loss, May 2 losses, April 4 losses, March 7 losses, February 2 losses. In January, obviously it's an iffy month, 11 losses, right? So if you guys have the consistency to make this much a week, with self-control, with being able to control yourself and not take risky trades, it adds up pretty heavily. So that's pretty much, I'm showing you guys what's possible here. Andrea said, sorry, Shawn, I can't get the signal. Sorry, man. I don't know what you mean by that, Andreas. For this right here. Okay, I don't know what you mean by that, Andreas. Anyway, Shawn over here locked in a total of 1,039. So you guys did pretty solid so far. Everyone's doing pretty good. I mean, main key here, guys, is to not lose, right? Joshua over here, you made 1,242. So like, yeah, no losses here as well for Josh. So if you guys have more profits that you guys want to send over, add it, and you guys can send them over to me and I could add them to the list. But this is why I'm not really inclined to take risky trades, right? Like for right now, I'm happy with what I did for today because I'm already up pretty solid. I'm up three wins back to back to back, 2,886. I don't have to go for that 10,000 a day, right? Because the thing is, if I could do about 10 to 20,000 a week, it adds up over time. Kong over here, he's up 1,072. Main keys to close out every day in the green or the blue, whatever platform you're using, net positive. If you guys can continue to do that every day, that's going to be the game changer for you guys. Let's see. Yeah, so definitely, I mean, great work amongst everyone here. I don't see any other entries here, so I'm just see this big drop right here. This is why I was telling you guys it's kind of good to pull out because you guys don't want to get caught in this like nasty move right here. So definitely big congrats to everybody here who didn't take any losses. As long as you guys close a day, close a week, close a month in profit, that's the key, guys. It's all consistency. It adds up. Your profits start to compound over time, and then you can start taking bigger lot sizes. Let me check out the YouTube real quick. Sorry, I missed a lot of stuff here. Let's see. Nick said just took a trade, made $800, then closed when empty warning. Go to your trading log. Oh, that's weird. Yeah, I don't know, Nick, what happened with that. Yeah, no, definitely. Shark Team said congratulations to everyone. Literally, we're making profits every day. Yeah, exactly. Josh said thank you for taking these trades live. Yeah, definitely, Josh. Glad to see that you're profiting with us here too. Yonan said, thanks, Shawn. Getting more confident every session. Hopefully I can apply this strategy to Asian and London open times on the Australian and German markets. You probably could, Yonan. You just got to test it. So what I recommend is you go and back test it as much as possible. And then you can, you can see how accurate it is. Nick said, once you become a funded FTMO, is there still a profit target every month? No profit target, Nick. So you can make as much profit as you want, whether it be $1, whether it be a penny, whether it be $100. It just depends on, there's no profit target level. And you can even close out in the negative. You just have to make it back in the following month. So let me just scroll over real quick. Melinda said, what's the easiest way to enter multiple trades on different accounts? Do you use a different device or do you toggle back and forth? Melinda, I use social trader tools. That's how I copy my trades to both my accounts. That's why both my accounts, you can see the lot sizes are a little different right here. This is my main account. You can see it's like 10 lots per trade. For this one over here, they're kind of weird, right? They're like 9.8, 9.7 because the copier copies it to my other account. That's pretty much how I'm able to take trades on 2 accounts. The reason why I split these into 2 accounts as well, because I did merge them at one point to 400K. The reason why I split them up is because if I mess up on one account, I can just take the other account off the copier. And then I can probably if worst comes to worst, I could screw up one account and then I'll be kind of down while the other one I'll still be pushing. But eventually I'll probably just merge it and then I'll probably start another account with like Funding Talent or something. I've only been with FTMO, so I haven't tested anything else yet. EW's up about 500 bucks right here, or 600 bucks. Nice work, EW. Isaac over here. Isaac's up 850. Nice work, Isaac. So you guys did pretty solid so far. Everyone here has straight wins. I don't see any losses on anyone's screen so far. Shawn's not right here. Straight wins. I mean, did I say straight loss? I mean, straight wins. Straight wins, all blues, no losses. But yeah, everyone here, literally no losses at all. And if there were losses, it's probably an accident. Kyle, damn, Kyle's up 1,000 right here. Nice work, Kyle. Straight wins for 2 days. Dang, nice work, Kyle. So yeah, definitely, if you guys can see here, you know, this is what I emphasize the most. I emphasize consistency. You know, I want to see you guys have straight wins here, all blue, no losses. Because if you guys are able to do that, you guys can start to understand the importance of winning, and you know, don't focus on the losses. You guys can succeed, and you know, your profits will just add up over time. Let's see, Gallo said, so I can't take. No, MT4 and TradingView are totally separate platforms, Gallo. TradingView is a trading platform, MT4 is a trading platform. So that, you know, obviously they won't merge because they're both their own platform. So you can't link those. I mean, you can link brokers, but you can't link platforms because they're competitors. You know, they're opposite. They're opposite brokers. Melinda's asking, what is the recommended lot size for a 3K count? It depends on your broker, Melinda. So if you're trading with like Hugo's Way or something like that, then they use a standard lot size. So you probably use a 0.01 per $1,000. So if you have a $3,000 account, you can use a 0.03. But I mean, if you're using a different broker, you know, the valuation is different. So it just depends on which broker you're using personally. If you're using a mini broker, then you can add a 0 to that. So instead of a 0.03, you'll use a 0.30. All right, so let me see. Yeah, if you guys have any other questions, you know, feel free to put your questions in the chat, and then I can answer them for you. Otherwise, I think we're probably gonna call this session a little early today. It's 7:31 right now. I'm pretty much satisfied with my profits for the week. It looks like a lot of you guys are calling it a day too. Shy locked in 800 or 381. Nice work, Shy. Slorm over here locked in a total of 524. Nice work, Slorm. Romano over here locked in a total of 826. Nice work, Romano. Romano said he's done. So like a lot of you guys are calling it a day because, you know, like I mentioned, it's all about consistency, guys. You guys got to focus on these wins and not risk anything to suffer any losses. Because the thing is, you guys already made some nice profit for the day, right? You don't want to throw it away by taking risky trades as you trade deeper and deeper into Friday, because Friday is one of the riskiest days to trade. Nice work, Shy. Yeah, Jasmine said, call it a day. Thank you for your help and blessing me. Yeah, definitely, Jasmine. So yeah, you guys should go ahead and enjoy your weekend. You know, there's no reason for you guys to force any trades right now, guys. I know it looks, you know, this is the reason why I log off, because if I stay on and I see trades, I'm going to want to keep entering every single trade, right? And that's not the thing to do, especially on a Friday, because the last thing you want to do is get caught in a trade, market goes flat, and then you have to hold it into the weekend, and then you end up blowing your account, right? So, you know, just keep that in mind, guys. Keep in mind that you know, consistency and locking these wins is going to be more important than locking a couple more wins. Exactly. So yeah, like Josh mentioned over here, you know, 99% psychology and consistency, 1% skill. It's a big 1% as well. Definitely. Joey here too. Joey, he locked in a total of 1,290. Nice work, Joey. Man, I haven't seen you in a while, bro. Yeah, let's see this over here. Let's see if I'm missing anything else. All right, yeah, so I think that's about it for the day. I don't know if you guys have anything else. Let's see. Yeah, Kirsten over here, she locked in 150 pounds today. Oh, definitely. Nice, Rav. Good to see that you guys are profiting over there on your side. Mark mentioned for funding talent, lot size is for funding talent. I think you have an option for your broker, Mark. So you probably have to ask someone who actually uses funding talent. I've never used them before, so I can't give you my opinion off funding talent as to, you know, lot sizes, because I'm not sure. Like I haven't done it myself, so I'm not familiar with it. So Mark, you probably want to ask in the premium group, and someone there can answer for you, because I haven't used them, so I don't know what broker they use necessarily. Because I know before they used to let you choose your broker, it was like FOREX, Hugo's Way, and a couple other ones. So they're like some of them are completely different. Like if you're competing, comparing CoinEx to like Hugo's Way, those are totally different. Hugo's Way uses standard lot measurements, and CoinEx uses mini lot measurements. Yeah, so yeah, that should be, if that's the case, then yeah, they use standard lot measurements. So yeah, it would be a 1.01 on funding talent is equivalent to a 10 lot on FTMO. Yeah, so Larm said Hugo's Way has a little lack in prices compared to TradingView. Oh gosh, yes, Larm. Yeah, no, that's usually how it is. They're off by like, I think like 20 points or so, or even more in some instances. That's why I don't really use the other ones. Ruben said K2 account management. No, I'm not really looking into account management, Ruben. I know a lot of you guys want that maybe in the future, but right now I'm more so focused on training you guys to be consistent traders. Because like I told you, like our next plan for K2 is to create our own prop firm, but it's a traditional prop firm where basically the best traders within K2 can trade my capital. And then, I'll give you guys a better split, obviously. So that's, I think that's probably the next step. I'd rather have us build our own like traditional prop firm here than account management, so that all you guys can win too, right? It goes both ways, because like literally I could do account management, I could take a big percentage, but I'd rather teach you guys so that you guys can actually do this on your own. All right, cool guys. So I think that's it for the questions over here. It's about to be 8 o'clock, so I think I'm going to call it a day. The last thing I want to do is blow any of my profits after we made some pretty massive profits for today. So today I'm up about 5,000, 6,000 in total amongst both of my accounts over here. And then for my week, I'm up about 10,000 right here, and I'm up about 11,000 on my other account. So a total of 20. How much was I up? I'm up 21,821 for the day. If I could continue to do this every single week, then I'll make $1 million by the end of the year. So that's the goal, guys. That's the goal for us here. So other than that, guys, I think that's it for this session. If you guys haven't already, if you guys can like the stream on your way out, I can. Peter said he saw me on IG. I know, definitely. I went out last night, guys. So that's why my thing is my camera's off. Yeah, I know my camera's off, bro. I'm just kind of tired right now, so I'm gonna go take a nap, and then I'm gonna go and enjoy the rest of my day. So definitely, guys, enjoy your weekend, enjoy your day. If you guys can like the stream on your way out on the YouTube, that'll definitely help us find more people that want to trade with us and profit with us here every day. So other than that, we'll catch you guys next week on Market Open, which will be on Monday. And then if you guys have any questions, feel free to email me or reach out through Telegram. Just keep in mind, guys, that we have like over 1,000 members in K2. Like even in the public group, we have about 2,000 members here, right? So if you guys send me a message, I'm probably not going to get to you within maybe a day or two, because I have to get through a lot of other messages. I have like, let me check. I got like 300 emails to get through still, because I didn't really get through all my emails over this week. So I have a ton of emails to get through. And then I have a bunch of messages that I haven't responded to yet as well. So if you guys send me a message, give me some time to respond, but I'll definitely respond to you guys within, a day or two. So other than that, guys, enjoy your weekend, be safe, and I'll catch you guys back here on Monday for Market Reopen. So catch you guys then, and I'll see you guys in the chat.